Hi, I'm Erin Halvorsen with Rag Rugs by Erin, and I'm just letting my viewers know that follow me that I am headed off on my 4th annual trip to meet my viewers and to do some teaching and whatnot. So I come out of South Central Florida, and my first stop is going to be in between Palatka and Ocala, and I'm going to be teaching at a retreat there, a craft retreat, and that'll be August 17th, and there is a couple more spots because we did add an extra class there. And then I'll be moving on to Williamsburg, Virginia for the following weekend, and I've got several events there. I'll be doing some filming, and there'll be a get-together there, and there's also a class that I'm teaching there on Sunday the 25th of August 2019. But the main reason for me doing this is to invite my viewers. I usually get invited here and there, or people offer different things, and I'm going to be gone for 6 weeks. So once I leave Williamsburg, Virginia, I'm going to be headed towards Tennessee and Kentucky area. So if you would like to meet up, or you have an exhibition that you'd like me to do, or you want to organize a class, whether within your home or within your organization, or I'm also going to be doing some more filming is what I want to incorporate. I want to share what I learn and the things that I do by sharing this wonderful, what I feel like worthwhile hobby and craft that is being lost is rag rugs. But there's all sorts of other types of rag rugs. There's twining, and there's hooking, and there's toothbrush rugs, and there's other things out there too that if some of you have some uniqueness to your rag rugging and you'd like to share, it's possible that I could include you in a filming, and you could share your information and some of your rugs and your ideas and your thoughts. Or perhaps you do rag rugging and something else. The filming I'm going to be doing in Virginia is going to be a couple different things. So I encourage you to drop me that email, and if you're interested in me meeting and stopping by. And I'm going to be in my RV, so I have a small RV, a 20-foot late model RV, and I usually plug in somewhere at someone's location, or if there's a state park or a county park or Army Corps of Engineer close by, then sometimes I park there and I get to interact with you. So if you have some different types of things that you might want to consider, or send me an email. If you don't send me an email, we can't even consider the possibilities. So I'm open to the ideas, and I love meeting you guys. The first trip out, I went to Mississippi and Missouri, and the woman that I met in Mississippi, I went a second time, and I consider her a dear friend now and a lifelong friend. And some of the women that I met that she introduced me to in Mississippi, I'm in contact with too. So these are wonderful experiences for me, and I hope they'll be enriching experiences for you. And then for my viewers, they get to share in these types of things as well. So if you're interested, you can email me at ragrugsbyerin@gmail.com, and we can start a little dialogue and see if it might work out. So thank you, and we're going to do a few more videos today. So subscribe and like, and you can see over my 100 videos that I already have made on rag rugs and how to make them. Thank you.